Hi, my name is Edward. I manage the Remax Lettings team in Malta, and my actual designation is the Regional Letting Manager. I've been working in this business since the year 2000. In this job, you need to be confident to succeed. Some people are discouraged to start a job in letting because they don't believe that they have the self-confidence required. However, strange enough, once they join the Remax Lettings team, they acquire the confidence that is needed. Then they start concluding, posture straightening, wardrobe upgrades, high spirits at the office. This is what I like most. You see them progress with your own eyes. You don't need to ask them, body language it gives it away. At Remax Lettings, an agent can earn as much as a professional, if not more. We always celebrate each other's achievement. It's part of building the confidence of the team and the agent. I recommend this job to anyone coming from any other industry. This is a career that is good for people who are ambitious enough to upgrade their lifestyle in terms of flexibility and earnings.